FM 104.3. Who to me take?
I'm just basing on figures and facts available to me, and I made a cancel.
Yeah.
As a man of no, your mind she am sa say you bu mine, you may see your mind. Na and na me yen yesu ema a man for so branya den in tumpon. Na we are dying once a ma penaminu bema kind. It's 2002. And as Anna Montini, Sika some contracting na basically 2012. It's important, just look at 2002, 200 million for 5,000 housing units. Up to 2012, the same $200 million and the same 5,000 units. At least I've been a DC, I've sat as the head of the entity committee on the district level. Kwembiasono, and into Yushemuno, Majine Buapa. Utie nia information na yen just a contractor a core parliament no or say up to the word up to 5,000 units, any 5,000 units no, and the same expression with the same meaning.
Is that what the original contract said?
That is what, to the information that I have, you know, the distance that went to parliament, you know, is that say up to 5,000 units. Fine. It is a who share some of the me kuntebu any minim dear war procurement mu customer. When you give a contract and the execution time elapses, not saying the fault of the the contractor who has been assigned now. Normally contracts have to be reviewed. Now, but
maybe so. Was there no performance bond?
The performance bond.
You did not be saying anyhow.
That is why the investigation must come back. Because we see penny for no one a year. What can I say? That 200 million no, and the 5,000 units no. So we say we have valuation now, and yet they were meant to execute the project in phases. That is why the agreement that went to parliament, you know, is that is 200 million cedis for up to excuse normally so maybe who is kind of call parliament and yes car parliament with that approval no. Okay, but the nitty-gritty of the contract is between the employer, who in this case works and housing for any contractor never yet. So that nitty-gritty contract wouldn't come to parliament. Let's take it clear. Parliament be approves cannot say Munfan Koye Jumano. And indeed that parliamentary approval no state say we are giving 200 million. I have not had, let me just put it on record. Say
how about certificates?
Certificates.
Oh yeah, bang Juma and as on your man Juma. We are Juma we raise certificates.
Yes, sanity.
Ain't it your certificates that disburses.
Thank you very much.
Do we have
because so we are Juma could do bribia and if an interim payment certificate.
Yeah.
IPC no. Contractor no pay Juma waye no. And no be raising certificate. Now engineers are in this case they were serve as consultants to the project. Akoshe and we say certificate na already no. Any ejuma waye no sanity pepe. Then the consultants to the project who approve and send the paying body next yaka. Intino say am passe the contract was still 200 million to 5,000 units are. Then let's go and also question the consultants now. Approve the payment no. And on every mark what you say. Some can say it is up to. They gave out the 200 million. It was a bigger project. The intention was 5,000 units. So the parliamentary cut and they say we are giving this to we need this to go and start constructing the project. Up to really. Let's look at that term. That up to 5,000 and 5,000. I am not men can sisu po. Say we ne ye can no sanity, but per the information they available no, it needs to be looked into. Into say 1 year money was year 192. That's the first phase. First phase, you know, agreeably, you know, because automatically just you said that 200 million in 2002 cannot be able to construct the same number of units in 2012.
So why didn't we go back to parliament then?
Thank you very much. and no media I also support the view ni say because nipa na omo ye adwuma the minister concerning directors na wanna say adwuma no na ye in phases contract na agreement na parliament na can say 5,000 units but I see 200 million to start the projects. That's why he stated say up to 5,000 units now obianso nim say 200 million in 2002 say nkosi adan the same 200 million in 2012 no entimi nkosi the same adan na wo ye den esi no first you nim procurement and how jobs are procured and paid for say aban adwuma de say wo ye na wo betua wo car wo contractor no my contractor pay you merci 9 pen
okay
and you answer me be DC
and I be DC to do minimum wo be raise we set pay adwuma wa ye we adwuma ni nyina you now certificate na engineers no they are the consultants but we shall buy most of ESL na consultants to government projects unless this ones are special yeah one be ba say am pass certificate na contractor no raise no one put a raise man in some cases no omo no ya ajo truck no wa be hwe no wa raise na one atum inti minister not one dey edi mi njimi nua nti kakra one dey onya technical person kra na said dey say na anyo no koye variation no anyo no koye amendment no on any chief director and the science amendment.
They are liable if something went wrong.
Why didn't they go back to parliament? And they are appointing authority.
If the argument stated say the 200 million and Americans will call parliament a buying project. Fanny say and then say Omampenia Kokati Sword War a tamale for the interchange.
Yeah.
What I say, young name say what the Sino Hydro can be the as parliament. See, I approve Sino Hydro. But the contract details of the individual projects, it doesn't come to parliament. In this, I know hydros can I approve no. If the ministry concern, I buying a name Musifuno. A jume be a buying per se or won't any contract and the business also. And the same in this case, no, a buying approval, my parliament approval in 2002, 5,000 projects say. Munko started and koye yamam 200 million na eba the nitty-gritty of the contract. It is the ministry concerned and the contractor that agrees the principle and sign to it. Into the ministry no at a point in time now for say there been some sort of delay and say any contractor no and why yes a mistake nebia abai na new media bi na ma adwuma na che into values asesa. That is where the contractor writes and they do what we call revaluation. We just have revaluation now. Near Ebedasuno, it also has to go for approval. This time, not to parliament. The way now, some Hebana Yakano say, radio so I'm need to know. But let's talk a technical area. Na never be brave, one more can use a never be bride. Akosua a yansi say 2002, the same amount cannot apply to the same units in 2012. So assuming, said 2002 was $200 million. Yeah.
Yanka said the real value of money, assessment, inflation. In 2012, no, ain't mean to see the same amount of houses. A DNA processes are offer.
And nuntina.
I didn't know one fast processes. No,
medasi. And nuntina memory case. Nyame kan nyina no me boa ma ye nyina church me hunia betimi ide asi ho. E bia information na ye kan okra no what the minister is saying no sanete anani ameke me kan based on ye nya me the minister dey be cry kan ho 2002 up to Inapo na meti. Okay.
Honorable 2002 no yes in 2002 government acquired a parcel of land.
Yes.
That was 2002. Then on the 15th day of August 2012, the then president
approved.
No, granted executive approval.
All right.
I'm saying
one grant approval. No, one so can say near core parliament. Ni say one up to. You see, it is a Tibian and Krata.
But up to cry, you cry, I said before 4,000.
What they say a Bayer Kuranoa and Yagma, it depends on the value of the unit. So when the ministry sat down with the contractors concerned, what was the tendered value of units of that project. It should be there. Where they are broken me. And yes, Masemo. Because and yet a bomuso a papai. A unit of a project will be quantified and valued.
Eugene, maybe say BB.
There's someone who knows by this time.
Abain J assassin 2002.
I'm a paid that for pencil.
And Oji assassin say opeso the SR project. Sikana kasa bamrebe.
Sikana kasa no about 20 approval about 2012. And a core parliament. So President Mills 2013 President Mahama. Okay, it's John Mahama President Mahama approve a grant executive approval on the 15th day of August 2012 and the core parliament Friday 12th October. That's like 2 months.
Between 2002 and 2012, 10 years. This could be a 200 million year cano. Between 2012 and 2013.
That's now what is clear.
And honorable Derek, and the real value of money is a moot point.
No. I mean,
because there was no money disbursed, there was no money approved.
With the new value, with the new way, I was speaking based on that. Now he's clear that.
And you're just scanning now.
Nipa ne ye adwuma no mpacho o ma yen kan trasa adwuma no o ye no any kind the ministry should be able to furnish and say what is the value as agreed in the contract obi enu ma ko say the 200 million cost 5,000 units. It doesn't happen. There will be a value for a unit of that housing set, and you know the ministry should know by now say pen krata na omo no what was the contract signed and what was the value agreed on the unit. Broken but what in America say?
And yeah, bro.
And I'm
but how can you bro?
I'm a queen.
Me ba me wie.
Okay, I'm on the point.
Me point. O point me me krata. Broken me.
Yo.
Who see? Me se kosi dan mpima num mame.
Yo. No what also?
Me kura 200 million. Ansa na metumi akese na wo betumi akese. Ye the 200 million ma wo say NC dan mpima num no. Ni yenim say dan ba ku bia obesi bia ne buni.
But this one area.
Yes. We yenim say ne buni. And building there to be quantified. And yet say road omesusu a building there omunim say dan we see a they will take it items by items. That is where you bring some added values and say engineers in Nigeria. The ministry by now should know say contractor how many contractor no OAS and how many sign no ministry no need to say say units now kakosino say yan ba ku bia bu ye say mo be na mo jitu mu na fe yan hwe dodo na wasi no ni yon say sika na watu ama no ebro ana embro. I'm just trying to do the analysis until say ye be hu say and we must know enye yen kura kotasa mo de ko be hwim won hwim me believe say attorney general be hwesa ne nyina say contract be ni wa just a whole I ain't taking into consideration items within that particular contract. And this case na your housing scheme no then bia no bo be say usi ba ku ria ne buni inti se obesi empima nan empim mienu oha miensa usi ha miensa yenim se nya obegini external works all can once we call it external works ebia road systems be a war area ho kan ni ade nyina no ebia external works so ne buni in the external works in beba as a whole because they will be linking to one other property. But the buildings in Yebehu, then Yebehu the cost of external works. Near who say, a Jumana or Moya, no, what shall change your buying? Why you need? Now, see, 200 million now, one cat changes 2012 now, quite J, you know, would in this case in the efforts are time value for money 7 because young says can about 2012 now, Umunya approval, and the bread would tea. And first was some back one, say ye are no nation, only say, Abai ministry no in March 2017 of all the year can no almost $5.6 million semi contract no
it's not true
minister now I was saying true but that information has come
okay say you know
we are getting information say March 2017 no Abai way ministry no it you 5.6 million into say you true then no mu tia no mu nim say maybe because
the same contractor
Kwame
Into no one ma
the third party, in this case, Attorney General now, or shall bind the manema so name Rasamusono, and share contract no shemu say contractor no. I could just keep you Juma on ye, and now engineers no are proof. Then the engineers, they are the technocrats. Say Biana Omkofa, external contractor, and then you have bind, but he was contracted. Wow. So that external consultant now Omkofa no. So no so we must know all of these things.